Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Christmas, December 25th. We are off. Everything is closed. Unfortunately, me and my wife, we slept all day on the 24th, so we didn't get up to go get us no food for me to cook, nothing. And y'all know we in the process of moving right now, so that kind of sucked. But we got dressed and everything, and because it said that it was going to be some restaurants open. However, we should have called, but I wasn't worried about it because I still was going to take pictures for content. And also, we still was, going to get out of the house just to do something. So it was okay, but we did run across this pizza spot that is so cute. I'm going to show y'all. We got an extra large pepperoni pizza with an Alfredo pasta. So my baby is getting it right now. She's been in there for about 10-15 minutes. So I was like, let me just go ahead and make them a little video and check in with y'all because, I mean, why wouldn't I? Like, I'm cute. Makeup, slay. Let me show y'all this place, and I'm gonna show y'all the food when we get the food. I'll probably film a little Christmas mukbang for y'all because I know y'all probably like that. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always know when I post new videos. And that's just that on that. And thank you guys for my returning subscribers, and thank you guys for all of my new subscribers. So this is the place. It's called, I don't even want to say it wrong, but this is the place. And apparently everywhere else that we was trying to go is closed. Oh, she coming with the food, y'all. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, I think. Look, y'all. Big. It's big. So here's the pizza. This pizza is magical. This is some good ass pizza. Okay, y'all, we got the pizza. Y'all, these pieces are huge. Let me try to get a thumbnail. So huge. Look how big. No, like, these are really some huge pieces. I hope y'all don't think I'm exaggerating. But I have another plate right here with some ranch. Because, of course, I love pizza and ranch. I have some red crushed pepper flakes. And then I have this on the side right here. Let me show y'all. We have this on the side. I don't know what this is. Some bread. I don't know what they're supposed to be. Oh no. I don't know what that is. The salsa, the salad. And we got this pasta. But all right, let me put this out to the side. Let me fix this. Okay, this is what I'm about to do. Ranch. I need some salt and pepper. Hold on. So I'm gonna use some of this to put on my salad. I don't know if I'm gonna just make this video ASMR when I just eat and don't talk. Cause I ain't got nothing to talk about. And I'm hungry. So ho ho ho, Merry Christmas motherfucker for freaking. That's about it. Is that it's Christmas. I will tell y'all a lot that happened because I feel like I done gave and been giving because I want to receive. And I feel like sometimes you have to just I don't know, y'all. I thought I was gonna be in a real Christmassy spirit. And I am with my wife. It's like with the family man. But yeah, I'm gonna go on here and just eat my thoughts away. Hope you guys are enjoying this mukbang. Have y'all watched the new Matrix on HBO? Me and my wife just watched it last night. And that's what I went to sleep on it. And she watched the whole thing. I'm still trying to be productive on Christmas, even though everything is closed. But y'all, we were so tired, we like literally slept. Like we slept. And now here we go eating pizza. When I could have cooked. But we got off Christmas Eve morning. I'm back when we went to sleep, we was out. And everything had been closed. But don't get me wrong. Look at this pizza. I'm so serious. Get your bite. But look at this pizza. This is the best pizza I ever had out here. And I'm so serious, hands down. Hands down. I don't know how the pasta fits to taste, but I'm ready to get into that too. And of course, my hands is ashy as hell. If y'all can see it, because I washed them a million times. I went and just washed them and go right back to the sink and wash them. And then I didn't have to tell myself in my head, like, girl, I already washed yours. Oh no. You okay, baby? I guess it's looking very garlicky instead of Alfredo-y. But I guess. It's not like Alfredo-y, as y'all see. It's more so, I don't know. Yeah. And I'm done with the pasta. I'm just gonna continue to eat that pizza. This pasta, I'm taking it out. And then my wife will eat this later. Dang. I ain't bring myself no ginger ale. You just gonna get in the shower. We could have got them Family Dollar them clothes. I can't hear nothing you saying. I'm done, y'all. Can do it. Alright, enjoy your salad. Thank you guys for watching this ASMR in the little combo I did give y'all. Merry Christmas. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And this will be the end of this mukbang. I'll catch you guys in the next. Bye.